Hey guys, it's Sammy258 here, and today it's gonna be another video without editing. I'm sorry, but I'm using my computer, and my computer doesn't have an editing system on it, so I can't really edit. But this time I got a microphone. I don't know if it seems better or not, but I'm not gonna bother about it. Um, so um, Today we are going to be looking for the new animal that's coming to Jamaa. We're gonna look all around. You guys probably know what it is if you play Animal Jam. Um, no, Tiger Skunk is on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so no, not the journey book. Oh my god. Okay, if you look in the news, I think it's llamas. Nope. Keep on going. Whoa, that's creepy. Uh. Keep on going. It says, we heard of rumors that there may be signs of a new animal in Chima, but we haven't found any. Can you? Uh, mystery mark. Okay, so we're in our little new spike that we got. I missed Friday, and I'm so dumb to miss it. I'm like, who cares? And then I finally realized that the spike sale was on, and I was gonna get all the spikes, but then I'm like, eh, what are you gonna do? Oh, fashion show! I love fashion shows. Okay, so I didn't even. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so let's look around. They said Jamaa. This is Jamaa Township, so might be around here. Okay, I just went around the whole thing. So here, okay, let's go here. Apondre. I call this um, I call this place Apondle, and I go Apondle. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna be where I live. Uh, I don't see any signs anywhere. I'm not gonna use my flying animal. No! That girl's still there. I'm just gonna friend her. Please say yes. Okay. Now we're friends. So now I can go there. No, it's not gonna be over here. Oh, let's look at this one. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna stop using this thing that I made because that slowed down my computer. Now it's faster. Oh my gosh, my computer's so slow. Hurry up and move. Oh! No! Oh, what's actually in here? 10 days left, 9 days left, 10 days left. Oh my god. Okay, well, we're gonna go there later after playing some games. Um, if we find this. Probably not, because I'm not that. Whoa. Guys, look at those marks. Those were never there before. What marks do you think? Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this. We know what it is. We know what it is. Bear scratches. Bear scratches. Bear prints. Bear scratches. Bear prints. Bear scratches. Bear prints. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a bear. 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 Probably gonna be a brown bear. But like, oh my gosh, God. Oh, that scared me for a second. Okay, we good. We good. We good. I already know that. What? So quiet. Okay, you guys go on my Musically account. Like, you'll find something different. Just go on my Musically account, and I don't know why I'm talking about Musically. I should be talking about Animal Jam. But who really cares? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, we already know it's a bear. What's this? Oh. Yep, not gonna find it. Oh, never mind. I will. See, bear scratches, bear prints. Well, I don't for sure know that it's gonna be a bear, but you never know. Okay, I guess I just wanted to find more prints. Watermelon, you already knew that was there. Ding 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 ding. Okay, let's play some games. I'm so tired. It's only 9:16. I don't know why I'm tired. I should not be tired right now, but I am. Let's play Wah. Fighting. Oh, when I found it, it's you and I, and you, it's you and I, and everybody else say you and I, you and I. Oh, my computer is so slow. Like, okay. I don't care if I didn't get any gems. Okay. I'll show you all the spikes I have. No! I can show you. So I have this black spike and this yellow spike, and then I have the spike y'all know, this custom spike. So I have 3 spikes, and I'm going to have. Wait. Oh no! Oh my gosh, guys. I just realized that I missed 2 of them. I missed the Friday spike sale, and I missed Saturday. Today's the last spike sale, I think. Let's see. Because we always have, like, yeah, I got the last spike. That's so sad. I'm only gonna have 3 spikes. Okay, let's just continue on to do things. Thanks. Thanks. Let's get a hyena. Hyena. Or should we do the fashion show? Hyena. You and I. It's just like, I'm so fancy. You already know. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, let's do fashion show. Oh, wow. This would be a really good video to um edit, but sadly my other computer is busy doing other work. Okay, let's see what it goes on to. So loud. Nope. Why are sound effects still on? I really don't think it's cool. That you acting like a fool. Okay, let's do this. The last theme is princess. Dun 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 dun. Okay, we have to at least have white. We're not gonna be a blue princess. Like usually when you guys see princesses, always like pink. So I'm gonna do a pink princess with hearts, of course. Because when everyone thinks of princesses, they always think of hearts. So if they put what they think of, then maybe that will give me a better chance. So purple and maybe this color. And now time to dress like it. Let's use my sapphire ring. Trying to find my dress. I don't know if I still have it or not. I have this summer dress, but it's not the dress I want. I might have skipped it. So let's go down carefully. Let's just scanning. Just scanning. There it is. It looks so weird right now. We're gonna use the other dress. Time for the tiara. I have to go buy a tiara because I don't have one. That's how rare I am. Rare I am so rare. That's how rare I am. Rare I am so rare. Taking this one. That's how rare I am. Rare I am. Did she unbow? Thought she actually unbuddied me so that she can lock me then. But I wasn't even done. Again, I'm gonna type again. Okay, the fashion show is over. What's the point? Okay, bye. Bye, people. Have a pretty awesome night. Just saying, if you want to go check out my Musically account, it's XOXO underscore SLOMO underscore XOXO. So that's my Musically account. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you next time.